a flash flood warning for Sampson County in central North Carolina, Wayne County in central North Carolina until 10 p.m. At 7:03 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Goldsboro, Clinton, Mount Olive, Fremont, Walnut Creek, Roseboro, Pikeville, Newton Grove, Salemburg, Turkey, Falcon, Eureka, Motreville, Seven Springs, Hudson, Grantham, March Mac, Brogden, Smitty's Corner, and Elroy. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Slow down and use caution to avoid hydroplaning. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flood advisory in effect until 9:30 p.m. this evening. What